If you own a Toyota Camry between 2007 through 2011, chances are you've been the victim of a defective sun visor. Maybe it was due to shoddy manufacturing, or maybe you've got a 16-year-old who won't stop checking their hair when they should be focusing on the road. I'm talking to you, son. Over time, constant swinging up and down as well as side to side will eventually progress to total detachment from one or both hinge joints. Now, you and I both know that the sun visor has only one job, and to perform that job, it has to be able to swing. So when you fail at the only job you're supposed to perform, well, that can be all kinds of frustrating. And getting one of those things repaired at the dealership can cost anywhere between $150 and $300. So what do you do next? Enter the driver's side sun visor from Orion Motor Tech, a perfect direct factory replacement for the 2007 to 2011 Toyota Camry and Toyota Camry Hybrid's original visor. High quality construction, tight seams, as well as a mirror, this visor is visually indistinguishable from the factory original. And as you can see here, it installs exactly the same way as the original. Quick and easy. Factory quality, better than factory performance, and without the factory price tag. Orion Motor Tech has got you covered.